thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be sharing a regular Dollar Tree haul. I recently did an Easter Dollar Tree haul. If you guys want to watch that, I'll link it down below. Hopefully you guys will check that out after this video. But today it's just the regular random stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. So the first thing I wanted to share, Justin totally makes fun of me because he's like, girl, like what, like did you come home with a presentation board? And I definitely did. You guys see this? It's a big old presentation board. And inside I have the word Dream Happy. It's going to be my dream board. I was recently watching Marlena of Makeup Geek, and she mentioned that she created a dream board for 2018, and I haven't made a dream board since like 2008, 2009. It's been a while. So I figured, why not visualize your dreams, see it every day, and you know, you get closer to that. I love speaking my dreams and goals into existence. I love just saying it out loud. In my vlogs, I say, I put it out there, you know, and you guys have been sharing your dreams and goals. And I thought, why not put it out there? Put pictures, put images, and see your goals so that you can work for it every day. You know, I'm a visual person, so I think like reminding myself what I strive for every day is a good reminder. It's a good reminder like why I wake up every day, you know. Definitely my kids are going to be on this dream board, of course, and Justin, of course. But yeah, I went on a tangent. Let's get into the Dollar Tree haul. I apologize for that, but you guys know me. So this, Justin stay making fun because he saw this and he's like, oh, are you going to start gardening? Because I know you don't have a green thumb. No, I'm not going to be gardening, even though this is a kneeling pad for gardening. This is great for bathing your kids, or if you're like cleaning the floors and like scrubbing, you can use this to kind of protect your knees and your knees won't hurt. I'm sorry, you know, like I'm getting a little older, you know, like my body just hurts sometimes. And so just, you know, anything to alleviate pain is always a good idea. I'm not getting that old. I'm 32 right now. I'm going to be 33 on April 7th. I say 30s is the new 20s. I don't know what anyone else is saying, but I feel 30s is still young. And so I like when people say I'm getting old, like I want to like reverse that. Let's say I'm 32 years young, or however old you are, 40 years young. Like, come on, we're living our lives, living the best we can. Like, getting old is not bad. It's a beautiful thing, I think. Another tangent, sorry. So this is cute, right? It's a tissue box and it's Spider-Man. How cool is that? Liam's, you know, it's that time of the year. They get runny noses. Liam will wake us up in the middle of the night if his nose is running. So, you know, we got some of this. I'm going to keep this in his room. And you guys don't judge. We are friends here. Friends don't judge, right? Nobody judges up in here, right? I got some Oreos. It's a 4-pack of 2 cookies per pack. And I saw it and I was like, ooh, I want some. But I don't want like a big container of Oreos, you know? Like, I want just like one Oreo. And so I bought this. And I'm saving this for when I get my period. Because, you know, when it's that time of the month, that's when I really crave for a chocolate cookie. And this'll do it. I love Oreos, you guys. Ooh, I want to do all these like Oreo recipes once my kitchen is done. Oh, and then Band-Aids. My Liam, man, that little man, he goes through Band-Aids so quickly and he doesn't even hurt himself. Like, oh, I scratched myself, Mom, or oh, this itches, can I put a Band-Aid? And I'm like, you really don't need a Band-Aid, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta like not argue about everything with your kid. Sometimes you got to let them win on certain things that are not that big of a deal, like a Band-Aid. So that's why I got some more Band-Aids. This is a flute, and I guess it says it's a recorder flute. I don't know what a recorder flute is, but I just know that it's a flute, and I'm really excited because Liam loves instruments. He has a real ukulele, and then he has like these fake electric guitars. He has like these little, you know, like toy pianos and stuff, but this I think he'll enjoy as well. And our house has gotten dusty because we've gotten so much renovations going on with the house. So I thought, why not dust it? And I got this at Dollar Tree. It's from the brand Scrub Buddies. So it looks like this. And it comes with 2 of the dusters. So once this gets all dirty, you can get rid of it, use a new one. But this is actually, I think, my second or third time buying it. I like them. It works well. This stuff, it kind of gets everywhere sometimes, so you have to be careful. But other than that, like, I think it does the job. So I'm just going to keep it in the box. And then these are sweater storage bags. So when I recently did some spring cleaning, I got rid of, or not got rid of, I put in trash bags Liam's clothes that no longer fit, as well as Jacob's. Jacob's I'm giving away because we can't have any more babies, but we're gonna donate that. But for Liam's, I'm gonna keep. But I don't want to just store it in a trash bag, and I honestly don't think we have much space for like plastic bins in our garage. So instead, I'm going to use sweater storage bags because at least it's completely sealed and you have to like zipper it closed. Whereas a trash bag, like little bugs could get in the trash bag. So I feel like this is a better idea to store things. And I saw this and I just wanted to see if it works. This is a microwave egg cooker. Cracking eggs. Crack, cook, enjoy. Perfect snack or at home or on the go. You can poach or scramble in seconds, and they have the recipe guide included. I can't wait to try this, you guys. I'll probably share once I try it in the vlogs. And then I got this for Jakey. It's a hairbrush and a comb set, and this is BPA and phthalate free, so good to know. And it's Sesame Street. And Justin actually asked for pens, and I love the pens at Dollar Tree, especially these ones, the Forma ones. These work well. The ink is not dry or anything. It's smooth, and they're really great. I probably mention this every single time I do a Dollar Tree haul, but I love them. We keep it in the car. I have some in my purse. I have some in the diaper bag, but we use like the regular Glide floss at home, but this is great for like traveling. 1, it's floss. 2, it's got a pick. So if you got food stuck in your tooth, this is gonna help. And this is actually really helpful for little kids learning how to floss, because it's hard to hold floss and do all that, but with a pick like this, but watch your kid when they're doing it, like make sure they're safe. Yeah, but these are really helpful. And then they do have the smaller ones for kids at the Dollar Tree as well. And I got some glue sticks to glue my Dream Happy on there. And then I got more of the sweater bags because there's so much clothes of Liam's that we're gonna save for Jacob when Jacob's older. And then I got these poster letters. I bought a 2-pack so that I could put, the Dream Happy on there, and I love them. I love the colors. It's yellow, pink, and purple, and those are all the colors. I wish they had more like a blue, green, like variety, but they didn't, but that's okay. And then I got some washable glue stick, a large one for Liam because he loves doing crafts. And then I got sweetened condensed milk, and it's a small one. This is a tiny one. It's a 7-ounce one, so it's like half the size of a regular one. But sometimes when I want to cook or make I love making chocolate ganache with this. Condensed milk is like the best. With like chocolate chip, you just mix, and it's just a rich, fudgy like ganache for cake. And sometimes I don't need the whole can, so this is perfect. Or like my guilty pleasure, strawberries cut up with condensed milk. Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't tried that, let me know how you like it, because you're gonna try it today. What else do we have here? Oh, just some of the stuff that I always buy. I always get these like foil containers, and because I love to bake, but I don't eat everything that I bake. I give it away to Liam's teachers. I give it away to neighbors. I give it away to friends. I give it away to Justin's Trending Family team if he's working with them in the office. So that's why I like having these containers all the time. Or when we go to like my parents-in-law's house, if I cook like an entire cake, I'm not gonna this is just easier to travel with. Yeah, so that's my Dollar Tree haul, friends. If you guys enjoy my Dollar Tree hauls, please give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I notice a lot of you guys have mentioned you haven't seen my videos. So if you guys haven't seen it in your subscription feed, please click on the bell so that you'll be notified when I have a new video. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!